Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new video. Today's video is actually another haul. Don't think that I'm out here shopping till I drop. We have 2 birthdays in March in my family, and most of the time when we have our birthdays we get together, and a lot of times we'll just end up going shopping. So that's what happened. And this time I ended up in Belk. So I have 2 bags. Before I tell you guys what I got, I'm going to tell you how much I saved. Because obviously I wouldn't shop if I wasn't saving anything. I told y'all I'm stingy. So it says here that I saved $264.73. Excuse my nails. I did not polish them. So I saved $264.73 and I purchased all makeup. So let's get started on this. I'm so excited to show y'all. So I've also been thinking a lot of these items could go as a giveaway prize. Tell me if you guys would be interested in that after I show you what all I got. I'm still deciding what I want to keep and what I would like to give away. I'm honestly not sure. So these products are all NYX. And we have this cute little paradise fluff. We have an eyeliner and we have some eyeshadows. I think this is so adorable. So yeah, I got this. I actually grabbed 2 of those. I have the Sweet Chateau, which comes with 4 lip colors. And I got 2 of those. I said, look, maybe it could be one for me, one for you. Tell me what you think. Type yes in the comment section. I got this Sugar Trip Squad highlighting palette that looks like this. One for me, one for you. I got, well, these were all mine. So I'm still deciding on these, but these are lip lingerie. You guys are familiar with these, but the packaging was just so adorable. And I got them for a good price. So I have the color Deep Rooted, Horizon, and Bottoms Off. All 3 are like those real pretty browns, and y'all know I love the browns, so I'm really having a hard time parting with these, so I haven't decided just yet. If I do a giveaway, I may try to add something else to it, so I'm not just giving away mixed items, obviously. I'm not sure. Still trying to decide what I'm going to do. So I have that. That's my first bag. In my second bag, I have these NYX Vivid Brights. These are the colorful, those real pretty colorful eyeliners. So up here I have the Sapphire and Halo. I'm just gonna say yellow, okay? Keep it simple. So we have the yellow one and the lilac color. I have another yellow. I figured you may want a yellow. I have a pink. This is a bright pink. Because I also think that I got a light pink as well. Yep. Got a dark pink. So that's a dark purple because I also have a light purple. Not gonna lie, most of these were for me. And I also have another lilac one. So that means I grabbed a lilac and a yellow for you, whoever you are. And I'll just think about everything else, like I said. I know for sure that I grabbed this one, and this one for you because I felt like they were so cute and colorful and they went with the other little box items. And I don't want these colors at all. So yeah, you have the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the colors Respect the Pink, Little Denim Dress, and Life's a Beach. So I thought those were really cute. Let me know if you like those. And these other items, y'all, I have a black cream lipstick. I thought that was so cool. I cannot wait to try it. Gosh, if I had known better, I probably would have worn it over the weekend. But I'm so excited for this. The color is Alien. You guys know that Rihanna just brought out one not too long ago with Fenty. So this is Dusk to Dawn. For those of you that are curious, this is how it looks. This is Bronze Mirage. See, it's like a goldy color. And then this is the pretty color, Whimsy. She's like a pretty pinky color. Pinky purple color. And this one is New to Me. I would probably want this one because I do wear nude colored or just regular gloss in most cases if I don't have like my dark lip on. It's really hard to show this. So yeah, this is nude. Yeah, eye pencil and eye pencil. And this looks like it's a burgundy, not burgundy, maybe purple burgundy. Y'all, I'm really not sure, and a dark green. So these are the colors that I got. Yeah. And this is what I was really excited about, y'all. I'm gonna actually swatch the ones. I've opened 2 of them. I think they're, yeah, 2 of them are open. But I have the NYX Cosmic Metals. Oh, this is lip cream. I thought this was, see, I thought this was for your eyes. When you don't read. See, some of them were for eyes and, okay, so this is a metal lip, okay? I'm interested. I'm interested. I never did try the metal lips. So this is Galactic. Gosh, I thought all of them were for eyes. Y'all, I'm all messed up now that I've noticed this is not an eye color. I honestly thought that all of these were eye colors and I was so excited for it. So this is Galactic. It looks like, you know, that dark smoke silver grayish color. And it's a metal lipstick. Y'all, I wore this over the weekend on my eyes. Oh gosh, y'all, I wore this right on my eyes. Hey, people do it all the time. Don't judge. I definitely wore this on my eyes over the weekend and it's a lip color. Very pretty. Dang, I thought I had like some metal. You know how they have those real pretty colors? Who is it that makes them? Gosh, who makes them? Who makes them? Because I've been talking about it like crazy. It's gonna bother me if I can't come up with the name of that company that makes those things. So this one right here, okay, this is an actual eye tint. This is what I should have worn. Still pretty though. That's the eye color. The next one is also a lip cream and it is metal and this is a pretty dark blue. It's dark nebula? Whatever. Very pretty color. And it's metal as well. And last but not least, this is a eye tint. So I only got 2 eye tints. And it's like a burgundy color, but the color is actually Evening Spell. Very pretty So I take it looks a lot like this. They look like they're more matte than, or more mattified than these here. Because I was wondering why that color never did dry whenever I had it on my hand the last time, but this one did. It dried down because that's the actual eyeshadow, and this is a lip gloss pretty much. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Belk. Now this item I did not get from Belk. I actually got it from Sephora, and I'm so excited. I got the Fenty foundation, and I also got the concealer. Both colors $3.50. Tell me what you guys think of my face, because I'm wearing it today. I know a lot of you are like professionals and you know about this foundation stuff. So I think I like it. I've actually tried it twice. Well, I tried it the first time, it was way too light. I actually got a sample. That was back when everyone was grabbing it and it was impossible to find in stores. The second time, I think they matched me. I want to say that I had to be matched 3 times, so therefore I got 3 different samples, and the third one was my actual color, and that's the $3.50. How much did I spend on this? I want to say I spent 60 something. How much I spent in Sephora? $64.05 is what I spent on the foundation and the concealer. I liked it. I like it a lot. I'm just wondering about the color. I was rather confused because I actually have golden undertones, well, yellow undertones. So they told me one of the times that I was matched that I have yellow and golden undertones, and that they were just really out there. And a lot of times that's what makes it hard to match me, my undertones. But this is neutral. So they have them separated by undertones for the most part. That's what I've noticed with Fenty Beauty, but I'm wearing neutral right now. So I don't know. But I think it matches pretty well, and hey, I'm gonna stick it out because I like the way it looks. But yeah, with the concealer, I was really excited to find out that you don't have to worry about going up a shade, going up 2 shades if you want to have a little bit of a highlight, because she's already done that for you. You can go in and buy your foundation in the actual color and not worry about going up, because she already has everything matched up for you. Unless you know, hey, you want to do it. But I think I have a pretty good highlight going on. It's okay. The foundation is, it's not too thick. It's not thick like Kat Von D, but it's pretty thick. I was excited because it helped me to cover up those god-awful eyebrows just a tad bit more than I actually thought it would, especially over the weekend, considering I went out and I need my makeup to look really good. That's pretty much it. I got all of the NYX products as well as my Fenty products, so I don't think I'll be doing any more makeup shopping for a while. Guys, we have that giveaway coming up. Let me know if you have any ideas for me. I've also been thinking about adding something like this to it. I think that would be really cute, but I'm not quite sure how I want to do it just yet, because I think that's still a lot of stuff if I figure out how like to disperse it. There'll only be one giveaway winner. It's just one good giveaway. Considering we hit 10,000, now we've hit 11,000, I think it's time for a giveaway. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Comment anything below that you like to say to me, and I will respond, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.